My dear students, those memories are already deleted in my computer files, but with your smile and your words, alam ko yung mga words ninyo, hindi na nabobola, pero hindi. Alam mo, magaganda yung mga sinabi ninyo sa akin. So, you will always remember the words, life is so unfair. And life is not a bed of roses. Life is so difficult. Yay! Maraming salamat. Sana magkita ulit tayo.
For sure, magkikita ulit tayo. Okay? So, bago yung pinaka most important faculty natin dito at naging chairman din siya ng department, meron din naman akong na-impart sa inyong words. Ano yun? Basically. Okay. Let me now introduce our most beloved professor, Dr. Josephine Borja, and our past chairman.
Good evening, everyone. I always look forward attending the alumni reunion because I feel happy seeing my former students very successful. Some of you, I can still remember their faces and names, but some of you, parang nagbago na yung inyong itsura. Okay, so although I can remember some names, parang hindi ko na na-match kung minsan yung name at saka yung face. But most of you, I can still remember, including your batch, the year when you graduated, especially those who graduated during the 1980s, mga batch 1980s, sorry 90s ha, but I remember very well from 1980, ang 79 medyo nabot ko pa na I started teaching 1978. Okay, so yung 79, I still know some of you, so 80 up to 90s, I can still remember the presidents of ADUCHES. I graduated 77. From 1977, doon nag-umpisa actually ang ADUCHES. 1976. So 1976 nag-start ang ADUCHES. I can still remember the names of the presidents up to, I think, early 90s. But after that, nung nag-graduate studies ako, medyo konti na yung load ko, hindi ko na masyado. When I was no longer the department head, hindi ko na masyado kilala lahat ng mga students. Okay? And, oh, by the way, itong ADUCHEA, it was during my time as department head that we put up the Adamson University Chemical Engineering Alumni Association. I was one of the founding officers. That was way back in 1987. Our first alumni homecoming, and at the same time, the oath-taking took place in Century Park. Okay. The founding president, Benito Chua Pokyong, the vice president, Robert Jean, may he rest in peace, and I was the secretary, so I was in charge of researching graduates in the 1950s and back. And from there, I have known so much about Adamson University. Meron ba sa inyo, kanina may mga trivia questions, di ba? Meron ba sa inyo nakakaalam kung kailan nag-start ang chemical engineering sa Adamson? It started as School of Industrial Chemistry in 1932. But when did the chemical engineering program start? 1935. The first woman chemical engineer in the Philippines is a graduate of Adamson University. Her name is Leonora Paraan. So as I mentioned a while ago, I always look forward to attending the alumni homecoming. Sabi ko kanina, parang gusto ko sa Adamson so that it would really be a homecoming. Parang pinababalik na ako, magturo na daw ulit ako. 75, nauna sa akin itong si Peli. 75 siya, but 77 ako. Magkaklase sila ni Dean Briones. Dean Briones was my former professor in Unit Operations Laboratory. So I hope that in the coming years, we'll still see each other during the alumni homecoming. Okay? Masaya ako pag nakikita ko yung mga former students ko. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, it's a fulfillment for me seeing my former students successful. Okay? So kita-kits ulit tayo in the succeeding years.
I will now give a short
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. And dahil sa kahapon na andito tayo ngayon, kahit no, ang bukas ay meron kasalukuyan, may bukas pa tayo sa kahapon. Kaya kung ngayon nagkasama tayo, mas higit man dapat nating gampanan sa darating na panahon. Saan tayo magkikita? Saan kayo'y nandito? Kayo'y may mga mata. Mata! Kung wala kang mata, makikita mo. Kaya ang bawat isa sa inyo ay magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakaisa sapagkat tayo'y magkakasama sa Adamson University Chemical Engineering. Mabuhay tayo na!
Thank you very much for very inspiring words of wisdom. Let me now introduce to you Dr. Nathan Dugos. This is the PCHE National President. Kung gusto niyong pumasa sa board exam, magpalakad ng mga problem niyo with regards to yes. Okay, let me introduce to you Dr. Nathan Dugos.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So, I started with the Department of Chemical Engineering here at Adamson University back in 1995. So, nandyan ata yung batches who were under me before. I don't know if I mentored them or naging tormentor sa kanila, no? Yeah, so sabi ni Father Danny kanina, bumalik ka sa Adamson. Sabi ko, every month nasa Adamson University ako, no? I'm always visiting Adamson University. I still continue. Though I'm not teaching, but I'm still giving back to Adamson University. Kinukuha nila akong advisor sa kanilang mga research. Then, the hard job na binibigay sa akin yung umupo as a panel sa kanilang mga plant design and also yung mga research. Plant design is a hard job. I consider it a hard job. Kasi until 12 midnight, nagdi-defense pa din. Nagdi-defense pa din, 12 midnight na. Ito kasi ang tormentor. So, kidding aside, no, I'm always happy visiting Adamson University and kasi marami akong kaibigan sa Adamson University until now, no? In reality, I'm with De La Salle University, but a part of my heart is still with Adamson University. So, sinasabi ko nga, I spent my fruitful years at Adamson University. Doon ko ibinigay lahat ng mong ibigay, no? 14 years. Kasi sa Adamson, we encountered a lot of challenges that time, especially the board examination. So we work harder, and I think Adamson is one of the best when it comes to the performance in the board examinations this time. And I hope they still consider me as a part of making the department better or the best. Thank you.
Trivia. Isa lang yung hindi ko naging cross na nasa left ko. Si Sir Dulbas lang. Kaya marami nagtatanong, teacher ko daw ba si Sir Ka? Of course, pinaiyak kami yan eh. Pero, I think yung mga nasa likod, yung younger batch, alumni natin, would agree, no? I think, maaalala nyo tayo, I think papalak pa kayo pag sinabi kong, give me a number. Bakit walang nag-react sa likod? Yan. During the time that we're trying to lift the quality ng chemical engineering, the performance of board exam during the early 2000s, meron silang tinatawag yung mga nasa likod na 3 musketeers. And we have them right in front of you. Parang kami yung tinawag yata na monsters at that time. Pero look at where Adamson's chemical engineering is now. One of the best universities in chemical engineering.
Hello. I think I'm going to continue the legacy that was started by all of the professors in front of you. So I wish that you can help us, still pursue to make our program one of the best in the country and most recognized abroad. I think that's true already now because it is one of the engineering program that is accredited under Washington Accord. So meaning, those who graduate now, their credentials is actually recognized abroad. That they can now work in those countries that recognize Washington Accord graduates. So we will strive the best, and we promise the alumni that we will bring the chemical engineering program of the Adamson University at more higher heights. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much to all our beloved chairman, faculty, and to all our beloved professors. See you next